Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to um, draw my winner for my Dollar Tree video. And I cut up, I didn't get that many responses, that's okay. Better chance for whoever entered has a better chance. So right now I'm doing it old school. I cut up strips of paper. I wrote down everybody's name that commented "be kind" in their comment. So if you didn't add "be kind" to your comment, you did not get entered. Um, but I will be in the future doing more random giveaways. So I think my next one will be something different, maybe on another on another video that I created something, and um, well, I don't know. I'll have to think about what I can give away, because I have so much stuff. I have to do something. And I like to reduce. Okay, so how many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 comments, and I'm just going to randomly pick it. Just picking. Let's see who is my lucky winner. I'm just going to pick this one, and it is the Becca.jb. Becca! You are my lucky winner. So if you could send me an email, my email is down below, and with your mailing address, and I will get this package out to you. And the lucky winner won. I am giving a stamp set from the Dollar Tree, and also this diamond painting that I got. And I'm adding it to the package right now with the thank you card. And Becca, if you can give me your address through email, I will send this out to you today or tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.